Hello viewers, our today's topic is surface areas and volumes. Question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to its brim. When lead shards, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shards dropped in the vessel. Now the vessel is in the form of a cone. Its height is given as 8 cm and the radius of the cone is given as 5 cm. In this we have to calculate when some lead shards are dropped into the vessel, the volume of the water flows out. 1/4 of the volume of water flows out. We have to calculate the volume of water that flows out, which is equal to the number of lead shards dropped. First to calculate the volume of water in the cone. After that we have to calculate the volume of water that flows out, which is equal. First we have to calculate the volume of water in the cone. After that we have to calculate 1/4 volume of the water that flows out, which is equal to the total number of lead shards into the volume of lead shards. Let us calculate the volume of water in the cone. The formula to find the volume of cone is 4 pi r square h by 3. So 1/3 into the value of pi is 22/7 into the value of r is 5. So 5 square is 5 into 5 and the height of the cone is 8 cm. Now 22 into 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 8 is 200 divided by 7 3s are 21 centimeter cube. Now let us calculate the volume of water that flows out. Volume of water that flows out equal to total number of lead shards into volume of lead shards. So volume of water that flows out, 1/4 of the volume is flows out, no, 1/4 into the volume of water. Here we have already calculated the volume of water. So 22 into 200 divided by 21. 1/4 the volume of water that flows out. 1/4 the volume of water already we have calculated. So just write that value here, equal to x, number of lead shards into volume of the lead shards. Then how to calculate the volume of lead shards? This is in the shape of a sphere. So write the formula for volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere is 4/3 into pi into r cube. The volume of the sphere is 4/3 into pi into r cube. So this is the total number of lead shards into volume of the lead shards. As it is in the shape of the sphere, write the formula for volume of the sphere. Keeping the value of x in the right hand side, let us take the 4/3 into pi r cube to the left hand side of the equation. So x equal to 22 into 200 into 3 divided by 4 into 21 into 4 into pi value is 22/7 into r cube value is 0.5 cube. Cancel this 22 and 22. 4 into 8. 4 into 50 is 200. 7 3s are 21. Cancel 3 for 3. 2 25. So equal to 25 divided by 2 into 0.5 cube. 25 divided by 2 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. This 0.5 cube can be written as 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 into 50 is 25. 0.5 into 100 is 50. 0.5 into 200 is 100. 0.5 into 200 is 100. So 200 by 2 is 100. So x is equal to 100. There are 100 total number of lead shots equal to 100.